Rhino are herbivorous animals that live in Africa and Asia. They are one of the largest land animals in the world, with a weight of up to 2.5 tons. There are 5 species of rhinoceroses that still exist in the world, namely, white rhinoceros, black rhino, Sumatran rhino, Javanese rhino and Indian rhino. The characteristic of rhino is their horns. Rhino's horns are made of keratin, the same material as human nails and hair. Keratin is a very strong and durable material. Rhino horns are useful for protecting themselves from predators, fighting with other rhinos, and for digging for food. Even though rhino have poor vision, they have sharp hearing and smell. Rhino can also run at speeds of up to 50 km/h.